Hello everyone, welcome to our another session. So in this session, I will walk you through the Oracle user interface. So how it looks like and what is the meaning of the each icon that we are going to see now. So what is newsfeed versus Springboard? Newsfeed is nothing but a default layout and Springboard is a bunch of icons that you can see as like personal info, career and performance benefit. So here you can see as like newsfeed is a default homepage and Springboard is the bunch of icon. And here we need to understand what is the navigator. So navigator is nothing but we can see all the applications, all the icons, or all the the functions that we have the access. And the global search is where we can search for the people, the task, and the other thing too. And the setting and action menu will help you to log out from the application. You can see the application details, which version it is, and this is also an area where we access the setup and maintenance. And the company logo, so company logo is a customizable that we can customize based on the requirement. And now we have the home icon, so it will like it will take you to the home whenever if you are working with any page, any function. If you click on this icon, it will take you to the home. And now it is a bell icon, so we also call as a bell notification too. So this is the area you will receive the notification. You can see the notification what the transaction is happen. If any transaction is waiting for your approval, this is the area where you can see. So as I said, it was like in last slide, it was just a icon, but now here you can see the icon details. When you click on that icon, you will see the details. The detail will look like this. You simply just without opening the notification, you can do the approve and reject. And if you want to get into the more details, simply click on the notification and you will get into it and you will able to see the other details too. Now, as I said, like I we discussed with the navigator, so here this is an option called like collapse navigator. So collapse navigator means like you can see like sales, service, me, procurement, but that is a collapse option. But once we expand it, so you will able to see like this. So under the me, you will able to see like personal information, directory, connection, journey, space. So these all are come under the navigator, and when you expand that, but it is also depend on your action. If you have the access to see all these details, you will able to see. If it is not, then based on your access, you will these like you will not be able to see, it will be removed. Now we have another thing is like things to finish. So things to finish is like the way we receive the notification and the bell, and we need to see the what the notification is about. Then you need to go and click on the bell, then you will able to see the details. But for with the things to finish, simply we need to go here on the things to finish section, and without clicking anything, you will able to see, okay, so which approval is waiting for your approval, your action, and what is just for your just for your information only. So without clicking anything, you will able to see here. But if you want to get into the more details, so you need to click the link and then you will get into the notification details. Now we have the news and announcement. The news and announcement mostly organization used to announce something like they are going to publish the T4 like form 16 and W2 very soon, so they just do their announcement here. And if they are also planning to do their yearly party and like annual function something, so they do their announcement here too. So you will able to click that link and then you will see the further details. Now we are under the employee self service, that is also called like ESS. So under the ESS, as an employee, we will perform the activity as like I can see my details, I can see my pay, and also if I need to submit my time card, so you can submit the time card from me. And now it is MSS, that is mostly controlled via manager, that is called the manager self service. So as a manager can see their direct reporting details like my team journeys and like career and performance. So these are the activities mostly a manager can perform from the me, I'm sorry, like my team. Now we have the HRSS. So HRSS generally it is performed by the human resource specialist. So they perform all their activities from the my client group, like hire to like a fire, terminate, transfer, location, change. There would be lots of activities or functions too that mostly an HR perform. So that is called the human resource self service. Okay, so if you have any question regarding what we discuss, so just put your question on the comment and I will try to give the answer as soon as possible. And thank you so much, and we will see you in our next session. Thank you so much.